Ask any Yoder Smokers owner what the best thing about their YS640s pellet grill is, and they'll tell you, it's the food. It's not the versatility to cook from low and slow to hot and fast. It's not the wood-fired oven attachment that makes perfect homemade pizzas in under 3 minutes. It's not the rotisserie kit that spins juicy self-basting birds. It's not the flat-top griddle insert or the roasting and baking capabilities. It's not that it's made in America, and it's not how dang good it looks. It's not the Built for Life construction or the app that lets you track and change your cook from anywhere. It's not how easy it is to use. It's not the 8 pork shoulders it can fit at once. It's not the 10-gauge steel cooking chamber that holds temperature in changing conditions, or the rock-solid cart that doesn't shake or rattle. It's not the onboard computer that's constantly adjusting to hold your temperature. And it's not the chefs around the country who are firing this grill up for dinner service tonight. It's the food. The Yoder Smokers YS640s, available online at atbbq.com.